Good evening. This is Diane Cabiltes, your teacher presenter for tonight's episode of Tele-Turuan in Mathematics, Module 1 for Season 11. Our lesson this evening is dividing whole numbers with quotient in decimal form. But before that, let's have a short drill on division. Are you ready? Let's start. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. And 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Very good. You can see that our divisors in our drill are less than the dividends. But what if our divisor is greater than the dividend? Like in this problem that we are going to read. Mike made 3 sandwiches for his 6 friends. If his friends ate the same amount of the sandwiches he has made, what part of the sandwich did each of his friends eat? Let us first analyze the problem. What is asked in the problem? Correct. The part of sandwich each of Mike's friends ate. What are the given? Very good. 3 sandwiches and 6 friends. What is the operation to be used? The operation to be used is division. What is the number sentence? 3 divided by 6 is equal to n. The dividend is 3 and the divisor is 6. The divisor is greater than the dividend. How are we going to divide this? Do you have any idea? We have 3 steps. Step 1, write a 0 and a decimal point in the quotient as well as a 0 in the tens place of the dividend. We have 3 divided by 6. Let's write 0 and decimal point in the quotient and 0 in the tens place of the dividend, which is 3. Second step, divide. Continue dividing until the difference is equal to 0. Since we write 0 in the 10th place of the dividend, we can now divide 30 by 6. And that is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. And the quotient is 5 tenths. For the last step, let us check. Multiply the quotient and the divisor. The answer must be equal to the dividend. 6 times 5 tenths is equal to 3. Our dividend is 3, so our answer is correct. Hence, each of his friends ate 5 tenths of the sandwich. Let's have another example. 4 divided by 16. The first step is to write a 0 and a decimal point in the quotient as well as a 0 in the tens place of the dividend. Step 2. Divide. Continue dividing until the difference is equal to 0. 40 divided by 16 is equal to 2. 2 times 16 is equal to 32. 40 minus 32 is equal to 8. Let's bring down another 0, and that makes it 80. 80 divided by 16 is equal to 5. 5 times 16 is equal to 80. 80 minus 80 is equal to 0. Our quotient is 25 hundredths. Now, let us check. Multiply the quotient and the divisor. The answer must be equal to the dividend. 25 hundredths times 16 is equal to 4. Our product is 4, which is equal to our dividend. Therefore, our answer is correct. Now, let's have a short activity. Number 1, 3 divided by 5. Number 2, 2 divided by 4. And number 3, 9 divided by 36. Ready to check your work? For number 1, 3 divided by 5 is equal to 6 tenths. Number 2, 2 divided by 4 is equal to 5/10. And number 3, 9 divided by 36 is equal to 25/100. Very good, your answers are correct. Did you understand our lesson tonight? Again, what are the steps in dividing whole numbers with quotient in decimal form? Step 1. Write a 0 and a decimal point in the quotient, as well as a 0 in the tens place of the dividend. Step 2. Divide. Continue dividing until the difference is equal to 0. And step 3. Check. Multiply the quotient and the divisor. The answer must be equal to the dividend. Before I give additional exercises, let's pause for a break to give way for our sponsors.